welcome back for more B2B content from Cognizant, Europe's sales intelligence specialist. This week, I am asking the question, what happens if you turn the B2B marketing funnel upside down? To find out the answer, keep on watching. The idea for this video all began when we saw a LinkedIn post by Alex Ollie, co-founder and CRO of ReachDesk. In it, Alex identified a problem with the traditional B2B marketing funnel and went on to suggest a solution. We loved Alex's theory so much that we decided to make this whole video about it, starting with the traditional B2B marketing funnel. Every B2B marketer worth their salt would have seen it, but just to refresh some memories, this is what the traditional B2B marketing funnel looks like. It starts with attract, where anonymous customers first engage with your brand's content. If those customers carry on engaging, they progress to the nurture stage. Here, you have to keep delighting your customers, turning them into regular visitors. The third stage is convert, when visitors start investigating more about your company and are qualified as good sales leads. Then, if all goes well, those leads will start converting into paying customers. This is the close stage. The final stage is delight. Here, you want to turn your customers into advocates, people who will bring more customers into your organization through referrals and word of mouth. Now, you might be thinking, Emily, this is all good. That's exactly how I run my marketing at my business. Well, here are 4 reasons why this approach doesn't work. Number 1, it's wasteful. It can take you a lot of time and resources to sort the high quality leads from prospects who aren't interested in your product. Secondly, it's arbitrary. The traditional B2B marketing funnel is like fishing with a net. It scoops up both the people who are interested in the business and the people who aren't. Why would you want to attract people who will never want to buy from you? Number 3, it's impersonal. This approach treats people as leads, not as human beings. It doesn't make you think in a customer-centric way, leading to poor customer experiences with your brand. And this is bad in the long term. If you keep producing irrelevant content, buyers won't keep coming back to you. And lastly, it's unprofitable. It produces fewer conversions and lower revenue for your business. If now you're thinking, Emily, you have convinced me, but how do I solve all these problems? It is simple. All you have to do is turn the B2B marketing funnel upside down like this. These are the stages of the flipped B2B marketing funnel. Number 1 is identify who your ideal customers are based on your ideal customer profile. Number 2, expand on their pain points and desires. You need a deep understanding of the challenges your customers are facing and how your product can help. 3, engage at the right times and places. You have to create content that delivers value and is distributed where your ideal customers will see it. And lastly, number 4 is advocate. The goal is to convert your ideal customers into passionate fans of your business. They'll act as a separate marketing channel of their own, helping you to identify and engage with more ideal buyers. Now you've seen what the flipped marketing funnel looks like, but why does this approach work? Let me tell you. Number 1 is economical. The flipped B2B marketing funnel focuses resources on your ideal customers, those target accounts who have had a much higher chance of converting. Number 2, it's targeted. Unlike the traditional funnel, you're not spraying and praying. The flipped funnel ensures you're not wasting time on chasing on the wrong accounts. 3, it's customer-centric. The flipped funnel model puts the customers at the top of the funnel rather than at the bottom, and it treats your customers as people to be engaged with, not as leads to be moved through stages. And number 4, it's profitable. This approach assigns every opportunity not as an MQL, but as a revenue target in its own right. It means that sales and marketing become aligned and jointly own revenue goals. And with both teams working towards the same results, sales and marketing will become much more efficient, meaning you'll quickly see better conversion rates and higher revenue. If you're thinking, Emily, I like this, but getting it started at my business business, it sounds like a lot of hard work. Then don't worry, the truth is it isn't that difficult to kick this off. Here are 3 steps that will help you flip the marketing funnel today. Number 1, get buy-in from the entire organization. To run account-based marketing, you need to get buy-in from the very top all the way down to the most junior hires. What you have to do is prove that it can work. Start off by running a pilot campaign that follows the identify, expand, engage model. Once that's started delivering results, then you can go into the C-suite, present your results and show them the difference it can make. Emphasize the value that the flipped marketing funnel can bring to your company. Number 2 is align marketing and sales. The flipped funnel should be part of a wider strategy, bringing sales and marketing together. A practical way to start this process is to share things like revenue goals, incentives, and rewards across sales and marketing. Get both teams thinking in terms of revenue rather than leads. And the third point is deliver great content at every stage of the buyer's journey. This shouldn't be as time consuming as it sounds. If you already got a library of content, repurpose it. For example, you could edit a white paper to make it relevant for different markets or territories, or you can turn an old blog post into a fun and engaging video. Bottom line is B2B marketing. Don't be afraid to be creative and different. And that is all. Thanks for watching, and thank you to Alex for his inspiration. What do you think of this idea? Could you see it working at your company? Do leave your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. Check in soon for my next video when I'll be giving you some tips on choosing your sales data provider. Until then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.